Okay, so I did a little more thinking about the chemistry behind um, the electroplating process, and you don't have to worry about as much about the iron chloride formation in the process, because from what I observed in my test run, it's actually producing iron chloride and sodium hydroxide from the salt uh, off the two electrodes. And this is resulting in a reaction that produces iron hydroxide and salt, sodium chloride. So this is the whatchamacallit, the reactions, basically the formulas. Sodium hydroxide plus H2O plus energy results in just has water potential, separates into ions of sodium and chlorine and water H2O. Iron plus chlorine plus energy equals iron chloride. Sodium plus water plus energy on the electrode results in sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas, or hydrogen ion. Iron chloride plus sodium hydroxide results in iron hydroxide plus sodium chloride or salt, and I think that's it. So just keep that in mind, that it's ultimately resulting in iron hydroxide, not iron chloride. Or iron chloride is just kind of a go-between. But still wear gloves and still keep ventilation and eye goggles on when working with the solutions. And yeah, I think it's iron hydroxide that ultimately ends up in the solution, because adding baking soda to it doesn't really do a whole lot as far as neutralization. Just on my test cell. So it should be okay to dump in a yard or garden or plant, indoor plant, or to dump down the drain. It shouldn't harm anything, and iron hydroxide doesn't really do any damage as far as I know. There is any it should be okay to dump down the drain. But add the baking soda in case there is some sodium or iron chloride in there to neutralize that, and you should be good. So thank you for watching, and I'll continue on with the next part.